Alright, so I wanted to make a little update to the how to install comp trunnion rocker upgrades. In case you don't have a drill press that's up to the task, like apparently I didn't, I just used a common vise. And first thing I found to do, take the vise, stick the bearing in there. I use this to put over it, just to kind of make sure I got a nice even surface. And slowly press it on. And the phone may fall here in just a second as the table wobbles. Oop, and there it goes. So there the bearing is in the vise, and just kind of slowly press it on there until you start feeling a lot of resistance. Alright, starting to feel some resistance, so at this point I just kind of stop and back it off. Next, put trunnion in, that. Make sure the bearing's nice and clean. If you drop them on the floor, they will pick up any hair within a 50-foot radius. And we have an Alaskan Malamute, so ended up picking up a lot of hair. So next, set the washers on either side. Open the vise up, try to make sure they're centered as best you can. If you start feeling too much resistance, you're probably going to need to readjust your washers. Set it back in the vise and slowly push the two together. Till the bearing is flush. And that is it.